Hello and welcome with a new lecture in course Introductory Horticulture. In this lecture, we will discuss about the general description of plants. So as we know that plants consist of two parts, one is vegetative part, another is reproductive part. The vegetative part further consists of two components. The one component is that part of plant that appears above the ground level, and it is called as shoot system. And that part which lies underneath the soil is known as the root system. So we will discuss each individually. First is the root system. The root system consists of roots, and they are the underground part of plant, and it collectively form the root system. The root consists of main root and lateral roots, also have root cap and hairs. And the basic function of roots is that it anchors plant firmly in the soil, which is also known as fixation. And also it absorbs water, minerals, and salts from soil, which are necessary for the growth of plants. So you can see in figure one, this is two system. This is a plant, a general description of plant. It consists of two system. This is the shoot system, and the shoot system is above the ground level. This is the ground level. The above level is shoot system. It consists of stem, leaves, and these consist of flowers, fruits. And beneath or underneath the soil, this is the root system, and it consists of roots. You can see here in figure two, the detailed structure of roots is given. This is the root developed from the radicle of the embryo. You can see here, this is the main root. It is also known as the primary root. From this main root, lateral roots are grow. This is known as the secondary roots and tertiary roots. It also consists of roots here. These roots have roots here. The function of roots here is to absorb minerals and water from the soil. The root also consists of root cap, and its main function is the protection of root. Next one is the shoot system. Shoot system normally lie above the ground, and it consists of the main stem, its branches, and leaves. First of all, we will discuss about stem. Stem arises from the plumule of the embryo, and the stem which initially form is usually weak and cannot stand straight, but after some time it grow and form the toughest part of the plant, which is known as trunk. Trunk is covered by a thick outer covering in trees called bark. Also, stem consists of nodes. Node is a part from which leaf arise, and internodes, the region between two nodes, is known as internodes. All the function of stem and its branches is its help in support and transportation. So it helps to support the plant and transport of minerals, food, and water. This figure 3 is a general description of stem. You can see here, this is the stem, delicate stem. This is a node. This is the area from which leaves arise. And between, this is one node, this is another node. So this, this is known as the internode. The region between two nodes is known as internode. Next part of the shoot system is leaves. Leaves contain chlorophyll that helps plant to prepare their food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water by the process of photosynthesis. We know that leaf contain chlorophyll, which is very important for the process of photosynthesis, in which every plant make its food. Leaf consists of petiole and lamina, also known as leaf blade. Lamina of leaf contains veins and venlets that provide rigidity to the leaf. Blade also It helps in the transport of minerals. These when it helps in the transport of minerals, leaf prepare foods. The important function of leaves, as we discussed earlier, are photosynthesis and transpiration. In photosynthesis, the plant prepare its food, and the transpiration process, the plant get rid of excess of water. You can see here in figure 4, this is the general structure of leaf. This is the leaf stalk, also known as petiole. This is the main vein. This is the main vein. From this vein, small veins and ventlets arise, and the basic function of these vein and ventlets are transports. Also, this green part is known as the lamina or leaf blade. It contains chlorophyll, which helps to prepare its food. Next, the second part is the reproductive part of the plant. Flower. Flower is the reproductive plant part, and it has four parts arranged in separate rows or circles. The first one is calyx. Calyx, we know that calyx is green, leafy, and the function of calyx is it protects flower in bud condition. Each member is known as individual member, and calyx is known as sepal. This is the outer whole or circle. The next circle is corolla. Corolla is colorful flower pot, and due to its different beautiful colors, it attracts insects and birds, which helps in pollination. Each member is known as sepal. Each member in corolla is known as petal. The next one is androecium. Androecium is the male flower pot. It consists of anther produce pollens and filaments, and this is known as stamen. Next one, the female part, it is known as gynoecium. Gynoecium is a female flower part. It consists of stigma. Stigma helps in catching of pollens, style, and ovary. Ovary consists of one or more ovules, and it is known as carpel. So you can see in figure 5 the general structure of flower. This is the outer and the first circle. This is known as sepal, and its function is protection of flower bud, you can see here, and each individual is known as sepal, and it is collectively known as calyx. The next one is this bright color part. This is known as corolla, and it helps in attraction of insects and birds, and and it helps in the pollination process. And then the individual member in calyx corolla is known as petal. Next one is this one. These these are known as androecium. You can see here, and it consists of anther. This yellow part is anther. It produces pollens. This is filament, and it is known as stamen. Next one is the gynoecium. This one is the female part. This is gynoecium. It consists of stigma. This is stigma. Stigma helps in catching up pollens. This the neck is style, and this one is ovary. And inside ovary you can see ovules are present. So this is the female part of flower. So it is all about a general description of flower, and we already discussed that flower consists of vegetative and reproductive part. Thank you for watching.